In this tutorial, we'll be learning how we can be able to log into the back end of our WordPress website using our pantheon.io. Welcome to this particular class. This will be our last class in WordPress. .com. Well, you can still be relating with me anytime you want to. So what I did was I went on my Google and then I searched for pantheon.io. So immediately I searched for it. This place where they wrote login, I clicked it. And the first thing we wanted to do is to log in directly to this website that gave us the hosting, which is not basically the primary way of doing this, but because of the domain structure, because we're using their this thing free, so the domain structure that they gave to us, we are yet to understand it very well. So I don't want to teach us that. I want us to go to the easier way of doing it. So we have gone there and I'm logging into my account first of all with this hosting company that gave us this thing free, using the Gmail account that I used to create the account. And now it is loading. It is loading. What it's going to do now is for it to open my environment, my dashboard environment. And once it is open, I'm going to see the history of all this website that I have with them. So this time around, now I want to click on I, I, I want to click on sites. When you click on sites, you're going to see all the sites that were all the website that you have with these people that they are managing for you. You can actually have two sites, three sites. So I want to click on it now. And then this thing is not mobile friendly. It is not mobile friendly. You can will enjoy it best in using your system. But what I will do now is I will come over to this top now where they say search site, that place where they say search site. I'm going to click on that place. So once I click that place, the website I have with them is going to open up. So I will click the particular website that I have, and now it's going to load again to make sure that I'm the real owner of this site, to make sure if I'm telling them the truth. So it's loading and then it's going to come up very soon, very shortly. And then once it comes up, we are going to supply the okay, we're going to click a button that is going to lead us to our uh, back end environment. So in this place are the information of this website. So what we want to click now is the button that is going to lead us to the back end environment. So we see this place where they wrote site admin. So you want to click on site admin. Before that site admin was another login details that was there. Sorry. So in this place, I'm going to write my login details the way I wrote it when I'm creating that website. Okay, so I'm going to write it the way I wrote it. I wrote my username as AYA 2020 2024 class, and this time around I want to write my username. So once I write it and then I click on login, everything is going to be sorted out, and that will be um, us getting into the dashboard environment of our site. Very simple for us to do it like that. So in my class I like simplifying things for us. So it's telling me, okay, so that is the back end environment of our site now. So the next thing we want to learn now is how we can some of us have the challenge of our webs of our um okay, so this thing now, what I want of our page is not appearing. So this place now you see appearance, I'm going to click on appearance. Once I click on appearance, I'm going to see an option that says menu. So those menus are what controls the pages. So I will click on menu. Then I want to show you around the menus that we have. The menus that we have here are the default menus that came along with the theme that we use, the color mark that we use. So what we want to do now is for us to, is for us to either delete it or create another template. So in the course of this lesson, I'm going to go straight to us creating a new menu that is going to appear on the header section of our website. So in this case now, you are seeing all the options that we have here, but we are going to look for the place where they ask us to create a new menu. So I'm going to click on the create a new menu that we are going to find there. Okay, so I'm making a voice novel. So I've created a create a new menu. So an environment is going to pop out now, where I'm going to write the name of the new menu. You can write it anything at all, but I want to write it pages. You can write it anything at all. You may want to write primarily pages, or you write your name or anything. So it's just like a folder that will carry all the pages that your website has. So sometimes our website doesn't demand those things. So what we are going to do now is to save menu. But before then, I want to select this option. There's a menu setting. I'll click that option. When you read it, it says automatically add new menu at the top at the and at the bottom. And then I also want to select the second option. If you did not do it, your menu are not going to come out. So I was particular. I'll zoom in this for you to see this. So I choose these two options, and then I'm going to click on my save menu that is there. Once I click on the save menu, um, and then the menu is being saved. Okay, so our menu is now saved, and you can see now. So the next thing you want to do, I will now come to this place where I have all my pages registered. You see, these are most recent pages we created. These are all pages we created. So any place that you wish to go, you go there, select any page that you want. So I've selected all the pages. Now I also removed one. I want it to add to that menu. So it have all added now into this menu. You can see it. So I tried. What I'm going to do now is to save and check my site. But there are no other settings that in this place that I try to do to show you some things. You can move the page one to up, you can move page two, you can move about us to down, and all of that. I try doing it, but it does not, it's not doing. So for that reason, I think I'm going to be updating a tutorial video that I have a tutorial video where I teach people online. So you can see now the pages are here. I have a course online where people pay to to learn some of those things. So what I want to do now is I'm thinking of subsidizing the cost and then updating the informations there to suit this our class, so that those who are willing can go and buy it. I think on doing that, because we have been learning with phone and it isn't all that fun for us to learn with. So I'm thinking on doing that now to subsidize the cost probably by 70%, so that everybody will have access to the full settings, everything that you need to know about creating a website, so that you'll be ready for the job market using wordpress.com. If you are ready, if you want to do that, you can actually inbox me, and then we know how we are going to do about that at a discount price. I'm going to give it to you at a discount price, very very discounted price. If you are ready, we are going to have it. Thanks so much for giving me audience all through our WordPress design class. Very shortly, we are all going to go into programming proper, starting with HTML. God bless you. Thanks so much. Yeah, bye bye.